Welcome to Azzadous Studios. In this two-part series, I'm going to show you how to make the old-style UK hardcore basses and leads, such as the stuff you'd hear from Squaddy and Recon. If you like the video, like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. Okay, so in this video, we're going to start off with the bass. I'll just run you through what I've got so far. Some percussion, a clap, open hi-hat, and a ride. And I've got the 185 kick, which was used on many tracks back then. It's the Vengeance Essential Club Sounds 2 Hard 185. And this is the bass we're going to be making. I've also taken the MIDI from one of my favourite tracks back then. We've also got a lead that we're going to be making in the next video. And if you don't remember that track, I'm disowning you. Okay, so let's solo the bass. It's a really simple bass to make. I'm going to create a new channel and just name that new bass. I'm going to drag this MIDI down and open up a silent for one. Okay, so I'm going to go to preset and clear. And then to start off with, I'm going to set up the sub, which is going to be oscillator A2. We've already got a sine wave there, so I'm just going to leave that there. I'm going to bring the voices up to 3 and drop the octave down 1. We've also got oscillator A1 that's already on. We're going to leave that on a saw wave, and we're going to bring that up to 2 voices and drop that down an octave as well. And we're going to detune this a little bit. And just play with the phase. That'll do for that. So I'm going to bring the release up a little bit, about 1.4, that'll do. Maybe a little bit less. Okay, I'm going to set up this filter. So filter type, I want a low pass, and I want the input select on AB. I'm going to leave everything except the drive. I'm just going to push that up to about 1.3, 1.4, something like that. That'll do. And on the main filter control, I'm going to switch on warm drive and pull the cutoff all the way up. Okay, so I'm going to bring the main volume down just a little bit so we're not clipping later. And switch over to part B. In part B, we're going to select a square wave or pulse, and we're going to put 4 voices. We're going to detune this a fair bit, and this wants to be dropped down an octave as well. Okay, and we've got quite a lot of volume from that, so I'm going to bring the volume down and play with the phase. And just get that volume and phase right so it sounds nice. I'm going to bring up the release a little bit again. Then on oscillator B2, I'm going to leave this on 0 octave, switch it to a saw wave and give it 4 voices. The detune on this one, I'm going to go quite extreme. I'm going to bring it all the way up to about 12. And I'm going to play with the phase again. And bring the volume down. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is, on these fine tuners for oscillators B1 and B2, I'm just going to knock them left and right a bit. So for B1, I'm going to bring that down to maybe minus 0.2, and for B2, 0.2. Maybe a little bit less. We just want to give it a bit more stereo width. And then I'm just going to play with the phases to get it sounding nice. And that's about it. Just going to bring that volume down. And other than EQing, I'd probably slap a sausage fattener on there just to beef it up a bit. Let's solo that out again. So I'm going to go for the EQ on side length. So I'm getting quite a bit of low end, so I'm just going to bring around 60 Hz down a touch. And what you could also do is add a little bit of compression. I don't want too much, so I'm just going to bring the threshold down a little bit. And that's the general idea for the bass. Okay, so that's it. I hope you've liked this video and I hope you like the bass sound. Part 2 will be available soon where I show you how to make that lead sound. Remember to like and share, subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future updates. See you next time.